to peel the apples. So we will just peel the apples off first of all. Time to slice them. For that I'm using the apple slicer. All equal size pieces. Lemon juice, ginger powder, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder and brown sugar. Now we'll give them a mix. First of all, let's add the oats, flour, brown sugar, walnuts and butter and mix it. So the crumble is also ready. Now I will add slowly the crumble on the top. Pie is ready to go in the oven now. I have preheated the oven at 375 degrees and we'll bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes.